Okay, what's happening is my tractor starts and then it dies. It's a 35 horse turbocharged diesel. It's a Same, basically Deutz. It's got 681 hours on it. And it's been a very good tractor up until now, and this just started. I did clean out the air filter, check the fuel filter. I blew back air through the tank line in case something was maybe clogging the intake and such. I checked the fuel pump. The fuel pump is pumping, and it's an external 12 volt fuel pump. It is pumping. It doesn't pump a lot though. I can put my index finger over the end of the output, and it does stop the flow. But let's see. See, and that's what it does. It just dies.